welcome to the website for Math 118 at Haverford College. My name is Damon Mott's-Story, and I am a math major and education concentrator here at Haverford College.
And I'm Jen Jolivet, a potential math major at Haverford College on the pre-med track. I did not take this class, but I'm here because I like math and helping other people with math.
And she's also really good at it, too. We also worked with another student named Amy. She actually did take Math 118 and had a lot of her own insights from when she took the course.
Hi, I'm Liz Beasley, a professor in the Math and Statistics Department here at Haverford College.
Hi, I'm Jeff Dukoski-Feldman, also in the Department of Math and Statistics. You're going to be taking Math 118. Success in the course will depend upon your ability to find derivatives, understand graphical interpretations, the kinds of things that you learned in Calculus 1.
In order to ease your transition into the course and help reinforce and solidify these Calculus 1 concepts, we've set up a website that's designed to help brush the rust off of these skills.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't see you there. Hi, guys. I'm Tatiana.
And I'm Tiani.
I was a TA for this course you're about to take.
And I was a former student to the course. So we've put together 2 pre-tests, which we will explain more about later. We've made a few derivative videos, and also found other help videos and materials online that you can use to brush up on a few foundational topics of calculus. So to use this website, we've broken it up into a bunch of easy-to-follow steps. So after watching this video, the first thing you might want to do is check out the FAQ page. We also have a link right at the bottom. And the FAQs will help you understand a little bit more about the course and this website. Then you're going to want to move on to step 1. And in step 1, you're going to want to take the 2 pre-tests that we've made. So these pre-tests were meant for you to kind of realize which topics, if any, that you need more brushing up on.
Yeah. There's 2 of them because one of them is focused mostly on pre-calculus skills, and the other is focused mostly on calculus skills. And you should note that these tests are just for your assessment and your knowledge about your own abilities. They're not going to count towards your grade when you start the course. So how should you assess things once you've taken these tests? Well, we suggest that if you get 8 out of 11 or better on both of the exams, then you're ready to move on to step 3, and we'll talk about that later. But if you get less than 8 out of 11 on one or both of the tests, we suggest that you browse the practice section. Look carefully at the problems that you missed, think about what skills were involved that you had trouble with, and then find the matching skills that are provided for in the practice videos and in other websites, and then use those to practice the skills that you were rusty on.
Previously, this website was just for getting ready for Math 118, but now there's actually a whole collection of resources available for you to help you succeed in the course. Included in that is a set of lecture notes, and this set of lecture notes is actually a little bit more like a bit of a textbook, and it has examples, exercises, diagrams, figures, and things like that that are a helpful tool for you to use in addition to going to the lectures themselves. We also have put together a couple of instructional videos to help you out with some of the more difficult and challenging aspects of different topics within the class. We've hosted those videos on a YouTube channel that also has links to a lot of other really helpful math people on YouTube who have done a really good job of creating videos that explain different topics within calculus.
On the website, we are hosting the course notes, the videos, and animations that we created to help you out in terms of learning Calc 118. We also have Mathematica and GeoGebra applications to help as well. And there's even a Mathematica cheat sheet that'll help you throughout your entire career as a mathematician at Haverford. Mathematica is really important. And the website itself, in terms of the resources for the class, is split up into the topics that you are going to be covering in Calc 118, which are DDSs, which are discrete dynamical systems, DEs, differential equations, and applications of integration.
We also have some advice for success in the course, based on our own experiences and the experiences of people that we've known taking the class. one of the biggest overarching pieces of advice that we can give is to start your homeworks early. Not just because we're discouraging procrastination, although we are discouraging procrastination, but because cognitively it helps for you to start the problem sets early and then be thinking about them over a longer period of time. There's actually been some interesting psychological studies that have been done that show that while you're asleep and while you're doing other tasks and things, your brain is still in the background thinking about some of the puzzles that you were working on in your math problem sets. So from that point of view, it's actually really helpful to get started early on the problem sets.
And from a less scientific point of view, it's also really helpful to get your homework started early so that you can ask questions and go get help when you don't know what's going on. And we have a few resources available to you. The Calc Resource Center, the Math Question Center, and office hours. Professors' office hours are really helpful in terms of being able to ask questions.
The bottom line is that all of the professors in the math department really want you to succeed. And so when you walk into their office, they want to help you, and it's going to be a really good experience because they're experts in the field, they've been teaching for ages, and they really want you to be doing well in the course. And so you're going to get a lot of good information when you go there. We understand that it's a little bit scary at first, especially if you've never talked to a professor one-on-one before, but they really want you to succeed. You may find that the course is kind of difficult at times. It's some challenging material, and it's very helpful, and it has a lot of applications to other disciplines outside of mathematics. But it can be hard sometimes, and that doesn't mean that you're bad at math. It just means that it's hard stuff, and we've all struggled with math at one point or another.
Yeah, we have. So, yeah, don't be afraid to ask for help, and also feel free to contact us anytime about this course. We're happy to help. Our contact information will be on the website if you're interested.
And if you see us around on campus and recognize us, feel free to give us a holler. We love talking about math.
Yeah, and other stuff too. I mean...
As a reward for getting this far in the video, I have a math-related joke. So, Jen, why did the calculus teacher do better at her job as a teacher than as a baseball player?
Why?
Because she was better at fitting curves than hitting them. Thanks very much for watching, and we wish you the best of luck at Math 118. Have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
Yeah, and welcome to Haverford.